Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, BrainBloom Galaxy. Join us to discover a galaxy of amazing information. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go. In this episode, we dive into a fascinating topic. How to make money using that old PC or laptop you have and turn it into a profitable money machine with Mysterium Node. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mysterium. Make passive income for free. Just set up your node and start earning Mysterium coins. What is Mysterium? You're probably wondering, what is Mysterium and what is the whole point of this project? In the simplest terms, it is a decentralized VPN service that aims to fight censorship and make the internet borderless and accessible for everyone. The network gives both users and builders the tools they need to safeguard their online anonymity and ensure equal access to information. Mysterium is powered by a permissionless peer-to-peer network. Anyone can turn their device into a node and rent their spare internet resources, such as bandwidth or IP address, in exchange for cryptocurrency. The network is tamper-proof, anonymous, and encrypted like Tor but offers superior usability, stability, and speed. So basically, the utility of this node is that you're going to be sharing your bandwidth and IP address in return for cryptocurrency. If you've ever wondered about decentralized VPNs and how they work, you're in the right place. Stick around because we'll not only explain what Mysterium is but also guide you through the installation process on your Windows machine. Understanding Mysterium. Mysterium is an open-source ecosystem of protocols, tools, and infrastructure designed to liberate the web. It's all about breaking down virtual barriers and making the internet blind to borders. Developers, entrepreneurs, and projects come together to create a censorship-resistant virtual network that empowers users worldwide. Why Mysterium? Mysterium offers tamper-proof, anonymous, and encrypted peer-to-peer networking solutions. It's like having your own private tunnel through the internet, ensuring superior usability, stability, and speed. With Mysterium, you get a hyper-local experience, allowing you to choose your node by city and device. You can practically install it everywhere. Your old Windows PC that supports CPU virtualization, your server, your Raspberry Pi, and even your Android device. Before we dive in, ensure your Windows PC meets the following requirements. Virtualization extensions enabled in BIOS. You can check this in Windows by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Del, going to Task Manager, and then from the top in the Performance tab, you can check at the lower right of the page if it says Virtualization. This should be enabled. Installing Mysterium. Sign up and create your account for free and gain 5 Mysterium coins through my affiliate link. https://missnodes.co/?referral_code =sign BF7PP0598CPFDVT0x3FDTI990ZWMFK9 and gain an extra 5 Mysterium coins directly into your wallet. I'll also leave the affiliate link in the comments section below so you can easily click it as a link. Set up your wallet. You will need to make a new crypto wallet to store all the Mysterium coins you will gain from your node. For this, you can choose various wallets that support the Polygon chain where Mysterium is. We recommend the MetaMask wallet, which you can easily have on Windows and Android devices. After creating and opening your MetaMask wallet, you will need to add the Polygon chain. Go to the top where it says your current network, then add a network at the bottom of the screen, search for and add the Polygon chain network. Copy the wallet address and paste it into your Mysterium Node UI or dashboard. Download and install. Download and run the Windows installer. Note: a system restart might be required by the Windows Node installer. Install the program easily by following the instructions provided. Claim your node by following the instructions. Double-click and open the Mysterium Node shortcut, and allow access if anything pops up. Node Management. From the Node UI button, you can open your node's dashboard. In the dashboard, you can manage your node, such as setting a bandwidth limit if you want to use it. The first time you run the node, let it run for at least 10 minutes to show the actual quality of your network. Also, make sure in your dashboard that the node is online. Maximizing your earnings. Location affects how busy your node will be and, consequently, the amount of coins you will earn from keeping your node online. You can only run one node per IP address or ISP. Track your earnings in your personal dashboard, My Mysterium Network. Final tip: if you want your NAT level to be open instead of moderate, type the IP of your router into an internet browser and find the DMZ option. Associate the IP of your node with an open DMZ. Congratulations! You're now part of the Mysterium network. Enjoy secure and private browsing while earning Mysterium coins sent directly to your personal electronic wallet of your choice. We recommend MetaMask for Windows and Android as an electronic wallet. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell hard. Always use VPN services responsibly and in accordance with local laws. Smiling face with smiling eyes.